Hi guys, here on this video I want to show you how to start hair from the scratch. That is when you want to start growing your hair. The best ways you can use to make your hair grow. As you see here with me is my third daughter, my third and my last daughter. She has very short hair and wants to start growing it. So I'm going to show you on this video the best ways to start growing your hair. Okay, now I'm going to portion the hair because I want to use the first method. I have two methods, and the first method I'm going to show you is the puff puff, what we call puff puff method. What we call puff puff method. We are going to use thread, strands of thread to hold the bottom of the hair. So we are going to use strands of thread to hold the bottom, only the bottom of the hair, because the hair is short, it's very short, and we want to grow it a little so that we can start making other styles. So you just portion them. You portion each one, you comb, and then you hold. I have the one. Don't show me. You take the strand of thread and hold the bottom of the hair. You hold it like 3 times. Hold it like 3 times. And then you tie it. And then you tie it like this. You go to the next one. You portion out, you comb, and then you go 1, 2, and 3, and then you tie it. This method I'm showing you is what is known by many people. Most people know this method, and this is how they start. They begin their hair. They begin to grow their hair. This method is called puff puff. Puff puff. And you tie. Set the camera, let my face not show. Again, only your hair. Portion. Good. Okay. 3. And then you tie it. Cut the next one, you comb, and you roll the thread round 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you tie. Cut the next one. Two, 3, and you tie. 2, 3. And you tie. Go to the last one on this front row. And 1, 2, 3. And then you tie. Okay, you see I've finished the first row. You see what the first row looks like? It's called puff puff. You see the little balls of hair? That's how the name was derived, puff puff, like puffs. So I go to the next line, I cut out the next line of hair. Take it this way to the back. Take it down to the back. Down this way. And then I continue from here. I'm not cutting the thread is still there. So I just start to portion. And 3, and then I tie. I make another line. As you can see, I'm like taking the hair in a circle. The puff puff. Almost through with it. You can see how I took them in box shapes. You can agree with me that starting to grow your hair is not difficult. All it needs patience. You don't need to rub relaxer for you to be able to grow your hair. I, for one, I like natural things. I like my virgin hair, keeping it the way I am. I'm proud of my kinky black hair. And I love using natural ways to grow my hair. So this is the puff puff style. Puff puff. You can see all the puffs on my youngest daughter's hair. How does it look? How does it look? You can try growing your natural hair this way. You see? This is it.